What's up, guys? This is Juan from Shenzhen. So today I just want to make a short video and a simple video to explain to you guys how to connect to the machine, how to install the software, so how to like taking off one of the glass. I'm gonna make a video to take, because I have several glass here. I have the iPhone 8 and this is iPhone 8 Plus. So I'm gonna just taking one out. So this is the whole video I'm gonna make today. Very simple, not complicated, but I'm gonna explain to you one by one to make sure you understand what I'm talking about. But next time, because today my camera guy is not here, but some of our customers they have already required this video, so I'm gonna make a simple one. So next time when my camera guy is coming back, so I'm gonna make a video with two camera, two position, to let you guys see clearly the everything. Okay, so normally when you receive the box, we have this one we're gonna put in the box. You're gonna receive a USB. We have all the data here. You're gonna receive a cable. So this cable you're gonna receive. So this is the cable. You just connect to the computer and it connects here, USB. And this is the power cable. So just easily connect to this one and put into the plug. So that's it. Very easy. And this is the USB. You just as I explained to you guys, we have all the information here. So the software and also the because we have each models, we have already made the data for you. So you don't have to design it for example for the back glass. So we have already designed for you. So what you need to do, very easy, just click the data of every model, so it will come out with the exact size of the back cover. So let's check here. So I'm gonna have all those back cover here. I'm gonna, as I explained to you guys, that we have two 8 Plus here and also two 8 here. And this one is one of our friend gave it to us because he wants to take off the black part of this glass. So he just wanted transparent glass of this one. So, and also you can use the laser machine to taking off this black part. Okay, now here we go. Let's take closer, because there is one thing very important. If you want to use this machine, about the system, you have to use Windows 7. Windows 7, okay? So let's check here, close here. Windows 7, and now let's check the system. Even though you have Spanish system, you have English system, so just check here. Now we can say this is Windows, where it says, okay, here it says 64, so very important. This is Windows 7 64. So later, can we see this clear? Okay. Now we can see here. This is the Kingston, the USB. So I'm gonna, now this one is in Chinese, but trust me, I'm gonna make this one in English and also in Spanish. So this is the manual. Okay, that's the user manual. Okay. User manual. I'm gonna make everything in English. So this is that's called data of each model. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna delete it because I have already made one. So what I'm gonna do, check. I'm gonna uninstall. Check. This is the second one. G. Okay, second. I'm gonna make it slower. Check. This is computer. In your laptop it says computer. Comes to the second one. It says G. Okay. Now it goes inside. Let's check. This is the I don't know how, because I don't have the English system, but in Chinese this is supposed to be device management, something like this. So this one is supposed to be Let's check. Is ID not ID? This is Kingston. Ah, okay. Sorry, guys. You have to, before you do this, before you do this, you have to make sure here. Check here. You have to start the machine. You have to switch on, okay? 1, 2, 3. You have to make sure this part before you install the system, because if you don't start the machine, switch on the machine, your computer cannot recognize this device. So very important thing, Windows 7, this is necessary, obligatorio. Windows 7 64, and you have to start the machine. Okay, now you connect everything, and this computer can recognize the system. So that says laser, right? Laser mark control board. So I'm gonna uninstall the machine, uninstall the, I guess call this the device. Okay, I'm gonna do this again here, and you can see device management. I'm gonna disconnect here. I'm gonna disconnect it and connect it again. So make sure my computer recognize this device, this laser device. Now let's say if we can recognize this is laser machine. It's already says already. Let's see, can we install this one? Okay. I just want to install it and install this again. So I'm gonna here one more time, because I want to make sure you guys understand what I'm talking about. But it seems like it's automatic. It seems like it is automatic, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you the let's say the R, and see here, because this is in Chinese says like updating. So just go to updating, just browse this. I mean the software you have, and you browse. So this is Kingston. So this is say driver. So I'm gonna make sure everything in English for you guys, because you know all the Chinese supply they give you in Chinese. This is something that I don't like, because if we send to the other country, they're supposed to give you in English. So this is also something that I'm gonna, let's say I'm gonna also do it now. I'm gonna do it now. Make sure you understand what I'm talking about. So here it says I'm gonna put driver. Okay. This is a board. I guess call this board driver. Say drivers or whatever. Okay, you're gonna say driver. Okay, you're gonna say driver, but these two. Okay, those two equals those two, because you guys see this unwrapped, because this is like compressed this file. This is like I opened it. Now it's in English. So when you go inside, it says Windows 7 64. So I'm gonna put everything in English. Support Windows 7 Win 746. Okay, I think now it's gonna be better. So now it goes into here, you see BJJ CZ device. You just go to the R and the driver, you see this updates everything, and it goes to browse. You see this is the EZD. Let me check, where's the Kingston's here, EZ card is here, driver is here. See the support Windows 746, you check here. Okay, 1 2 3, and you put next. Okay, now because sometimes my computer is like which was the software was installed automatically, but if your system is not automatically, you just do as what I did. Okay, and now the Kingston is here. When you goes into the okay here, where's where's the, oh, there is one more thing that I need to teach you guys. So you see this one, it says mark. Before everything you need to copy this one, it goes into EasyCAD, it goes to EasyCAD 4.2.14.8, it goes to plug, and you paste it here. You paste it, you choose the first one, you paste it and cover it. You just replace it. So you have to replace this one. Okay, then you go back. I don't know if I explained to you well. Now when you come back, you see the data of each models. So you just unwrapped. Now you see this one, and I'm also gonna make everything in English. Say data of every models. Okay, every model. That's it. Let's go inside. You see, this is, I don't understand. This is the back glass. Okay, back cover. This is also back cover. You know, this is the why those foreigners find out difficult working with Chinese, because you know, people sometimes they don't really understand very well. And here, because this is for test, they only have 3 software, but we have for all iPhone, and we have for Huawei, we have for Xiaomi, we have those data, we have more than 50, I think. Because here today is only for testing, so that's why I'm gonna have only, I'm gonna also only test the 8 Plus. Okay, now I put 8 Plus, but I'm not ready, so I'm just gonna put it back. So what I'm gonna do, just off. I just want to do this. Okay. Now, if you want to, now everything's ready. Make sure Windows 7 64, and remember to replace this one, mark CFG0. Replace here, replace into this plug here. Okay, replace it. Second thing, third thing, everything as I explained to you. Before you do everything, you have to switch on the the laser machine. So now we have to do, okay, move here, Liu, because who is holding the camera now is my colleague Liu. So I'm looking for my, give me a second, I have to check where's my let's call it ruler. Okay, now before we use the machine, because now everything's connected, software, everything's perfect, but you have one thing that we have to do, we have to like adjust the zoom. Okay, you see here there is 2 or 3. See, when you see like 2 points here, that means this is not, the zoom is not correct. So if you see 1 point there, it's like more or less correct. And also there is one more thing you can make sure is correct. You see here, and also what I'm gonna do, make sure is in English. So it's the Chinese, sometimes, you know, the supplier, and also the factory, they don't pay attention to all those details. Okay, this says 314. 314 means you have to take off. Okay, you take off. There is one more thing, remember, you need to take off this, take off the cover. Now you see like 3 points. Okay, when 3 points, like you need to 1, that means this correct. But how, make it lower, how can we make sure this is correct? So you have to make sure this is like 3. It's like 304. This is 3. We have to make sure a little bit Liu, can I hold the camera so you help me to like adjust it? Okay, I hold the camera, you help me. Okay, I do this by myself, So you have to make sure a little bit higher, but it's okay, I think. 0.4, I think it's okay. Right? It's okay, it's perfect. Perfect. So, but this is, I mean, the, I guess call this. It's just the paper. We have this glass here, so you have to adjust a little bit because this one is like a little bit like three or 4 centimeters. So I just use the paper first. I just want to make it like a test, okay? Now I have data here. Every model I'm gonna use the 8G back cover. But there is one more thing I have to let you guys know, is the language. Let me check where's the language. I forgot it. Where's the language? Okay. Remember, I need to check it. So where is the language they put? Check is here. Okay. Check. The first one you goes to P. Okay, it says P. It goes inside, it says language. You choose English because they don't have English, okay? You choose English. Now you close the software. Now you go back again. You go back again. Now you have everything in English. So now see light. It goes to here. You can see the light. So now this is the size of the iPhone 8. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna like mark this paper first, and then I'm gonna mark. See? Now you're and also because this is smoke, I'm gonna give me a second. Liu, stand here. Liu, stand there. I'm gonna use this machine. Make sure this is. Sometimes you work in this like area. Oh, sorry, I just touched it there. Okay, this is just a test. It's just a test. So it's okay. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna use the real back glass. So check. This is I use the paper. So I'm gonna use the real glass. So this is the real glass I'm gonna use. Okay, but you can see 3 points. That means you have to adjust a little bit. If you don't want to, you have to make sure it's like 314. First you can use the light, then you just do this by yourself. Still like make sure it's little bit make okay, I think it's perfect. So now we use the lights. If you use light, you can see you just make sure everything is inside of this. Is everything okay? Can we see this clear? Okay. Then what we're gonna do is here, check here. Come over here and see, here's a mark. Okay, I'm gonna click this mark. Okay, here I'm gonna click, okay? There's a light, there is a mark. So I'm gonna stop the lights, I'm gonna click the mark. Okay, you go back to the back cover. So I'm gonna click mark. So I'm gonna start it. Okay. Check here. So if you have this like air purifier, it's gonna be better because this machine can help you suck all the bad air, those unhealthy air, and also the bad smell. So if you have, I recommend you guys to get one of those machines. Check. Also, if you are our customer, you can buy from us because we. This machine was made by one of my best friends, so very good quality, and he exported to like Germany, Europe. So make sure everything is very good quality. So if you need it, you can let us know. Okay, that's it. It's only like 1 minute. It's like 1 minute, right? So what I'm gonna do, I check if I have I think probably you need to use from somewhere to get inside to take off this, right? Oh, sorry. Seems like, can I twist the right? Okay, check. So this is the so this is the glue. And you don't have to like disassemble the phone. Actually, you just do like what I did, and just take off the glass like this easily. And there is one more thing that's also, this is like a request from one of our friend. He wanted to take off the. Actually, you can put a paper on it to make sure it's clean. It's clean, okay? Because he wants to take off the back stuff here. So I'm gonna do like, I did like iPhone 8, so I'm gonna make iPhone 8 Plus. So this is the iPhone 8 Plus. So let's say light. I just want to make sure it's okay. First you need to adjust a little bit, because you see like 3 lights. I suppose it's a little bit like make sure it's like higher, make sure it's a little bit. So 40, 315 or 314, right? Why is it 340? Because here it says 314. Okay, 314 means like 31.4. 3.5. I need to adjust. Okay. Make sure it's okay now. That's it. Okay, perfect. So now what you need to do is make sure the size. You know, perfect. Now you start mark. It's like more or less like for iPhone 8 is only 1 minute and 20 seconds, I think. So for iPhone 8 Plus, I think it's gonna be a little bit longer, because it's like the size is a little bit bigger. So I think it's gonna be. Check, you see all the bad smell, all the unhealthy smoke, just like sucked by this, absorbed by this machine, by this purifier. It's like 1 minute and 1 minute and 50 seconds. So let's check. Maybe next time we should make a little bit that size. It's gonna be better. You see? So this is the glue on the back of this glass. So we can clean this easily, right? Use this. This is a request from our friends. So actually, you can easily get a transparent glass. So this is everything that I showed you today, because without my camera guy, so I did with my technician Liu. So I just want to, if I do with this is my name card. So I just want to make a test. So let's see how does it work. get burned, you know? Nothing. So I'm gonna use my, I just want to put my phone here, so make sure, so I don't know, I just make a test. Just make a test, okay? Let's just say how does it work. How does it work? Shit. Just get the okay, I got it. You have to make it lower because if you don't focus, so it's like the light of the sunlight. If you don't put the correct size, it doesn't get burnt. Yeah, this is just small test, little test about the how the machine works and everything. So I also have like 8 plus here, and later I'm gonna also make several videos maybe tomorrow. So let you guys see how it does work, like 8 plus. I have 8 plus and also another 8 here. So we're gonna make more videos to let you guys see, get very clear and all the enough information how the machine works, how to use this machine, and to let you guys feel like comfortable and confident to acquire this machine. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and this is Juan. Remember, we are from Nova Cell, and please follow our YouTube channel, and also click like and also the notification bell. There is a bell around the corner down there, okay? Just make sure you get it. You click this notification bell, you can get our latest video notification, and then click like to our videos. So to encourage us to make more videos, more practical videos to help you guys to do the cell phone repair, and also the glass repair. Thank you for watching. Once again, have a good day or have a good night. Bye.